Think about it. Why do some projects just, hum along smoothly?
While others feel like you're constantly pushing a boulder uphill.
Exactly. And often the secret, or maybe the missing piece, is just how well people are actually talking to each other.
Yeah, that's really the heart of what we're diving into today. This crucial role of, well, a communication strategy, a planned one.
Right. For project success, we're pulling some ideas from the book Project Management for Project Managers by Rolando Casabon. It really gets into how vital communication is for just organizing a project effectively.
It does. So the mission for listeners today, understand why having this strategy isn't just like good practice.
It's fundamental, foundational even.
Think about this organization theme you find in project management thinking. A key purpose is right there. Establish a strategy for communication.
Between all interested parties in the project.
Yeah.
Yeah. And it sounds simple. Maybe just sending emails.
But it's so much deeper, isn't it? It shapes how the whole project is actually structured for success.
It's not just an add-on.
Definitely not. It links into other core ideas too, like management by exception.
Ah, okay. So only escalating the big issues.
Exactly. But how does that even work without a clear communication plan? You need rules, channels.
You need to know what counts as an exception and who needs to hear about it, right?
Precisely. It ensures the right information gets to the decision makers fast without drowning them in, daily noise.
So it's about intelligent flow, not just volume, making sure something veers off course.
The right people know instantly so they can actually do something about it.
And it works both ways, I assume, not just pushing info out.
Oh, absolutely. That's critical. Managing the flow to stakeholders, yes, but also from them. It's a two-way street.
Getting that feedback, hearing concerns early.
That loop is essential. It helps spot trouble brewing, keeps people feeling involved, and just leads to smarter choices overall.
You can just picture the alternative, can't you? Misunderstandings, silos.
Delays piling up, stakeholders getting frustrated because they feel out of the loop.
It's not just annoying, it actually damages the project.
It really does. Getting communication right builds trust, builds that shared sense of purpose. Getting it wrong just erodes everything.
Really underscores that point. A communication strategy isn't optional. It's core to organizing the work.
So maybe a question for everyone listening. Think back on projects you've been involved in.
Yeah, good one.
Yeah.
When communication was smooth, what difference did that really make?
And maybe more importantly, when it wasn't smooth, what happened then?
Oof. Yeah. We've all likely got stories there.
So the big takeaway here is pretty clear, isn't it?
A solid, well-thought-out communication strategy is absolutely vital. It's integral to organizing and ultimately succeeding.
Couldn't agree more. And maybe just one last thought to leave people with.
Go on.
Considering how vital it is, what's maybe one small change, just one thing you could try in your next project?
Just to enhance how information flows, make it a bit better.
Even a small tweak can make a difference.
That's a great challenge. And for anyone who wants to dig deeper into effective project organization and really understand this communication piece.
Then we definitely point you towards Project Management for Project Managers by Rolando Casabon. It lays it out really well.